Good morning. It is Saturday. And
It's Saturday!
Brittany and I are getting ready to put in baseboards. So I'm gonna go downstairs and we're gonna get the saw, I think, and bring that up so we can put it on the porch. It's supposed to be cold though, so that part's gonna suck. But the rest of it will be fine, I'm sure. Are we gonna do kickboards too? Kick plates, what do you call them? Kick panels? Whatever these things are we gonna do those too? Are we also gonna do the wall? Okay. We got a bunch of most of them, this one's in the hallway up. We do have, for one thing, you definitely notice how like, I don't know what you would call that, like how not straight the walls are, because we have some spots that like dented in, not dented in, but like they curve along the wall. So, and then over here we have to still cut out for the light switch because the light switch like just sits right above where the paneling's at, but it definitely makes the paneling look kind of fancy. And then I'll have to go back and caulk all of it too, but it's getting there. So Brittany was the one doing all the nailing this time, so good, nice job, got it all done. I like it. It definitely makes the hallway seem super tall though. All right, so we got all the baseboards in the hallway, and we got the trim down the hallway, and the living room. But sorry, the living room's like a hot mess right now, but you can see we got them in. I do have to go back and fill and like caulk all the little hole pieces, like these little things, you know. And I need to caulk around the tops and bottoms so they look better. But overall, I really like it. It looks so much better. Like, it looks finished and it looks classy. Like, even though it's paneling, it looks good. I like it. So, but we're calling it a day now. It's now 3:15. Thank you, clock. And we're tired. I'm just happy that we got as much done as we did. So now we can kind of just enjoy the rest of our evening. Whatever that may be. All right, we're gonna get out for a little bit and go walk around. So I'll take the dogs for a walk. And then, since it's like 48 and sunny, so hopefully it won't be too bad, as long as the wind doesn't pick up. Because yesterday when we went out, that wind, whew, when it would blow, it was like, I mean, it was so bad my nose was running. It was crazy. You're gonna have to clean up. So it has been a very unproductive day today. So yeah, we kind of like fizzled out after yesterday, and we did nothing today. So we have been like, right now Trump is talking, but yeah, we just like have been sitting on the couch. I did edit a little bit, and I did do my taxes today, so I didn't submit them or anything, but I did get most of them done. And I don't know why I didn't submit them, I just didn't feel like it. That's what I did today, and then the rest of the time we just sat in the living room and watched television, watched YouTube. Rudy was watching YouTube. I watched a little bit of YouTube on my iPad. And I played around a little bit on my iPad. And that was about it. So that's gonna be it. Cause like this is gonna be like probably the most boring vlog because I did absolutely nothing. But I'm loving the hallway. Like I can look out my office. So I can show you guys. And I can see the hallway and it looks so nice. Look at that. And then I did get Zoom set up too because I have my Zoom meeting tomorrow to go over whatever we're doing for the end of the school year and how we're going to be teaching our students for the end of the school year. And I actually had to mute the conversation I was having with my other teacher friends on Facebook Messenger because it was just like, and even yesterday I did it too. I told them, I'm like, I'm sorry, I do not want to talk about this. Like, I don't want to talk about what's going to be coming ahead. I don't understand it. I'm confused. It's giving me anxiety. So I am checking out for a while, and some of the other ones said the same thing. Yeah, it's too much. Like that's so. They started up again a little bit ago, and then I muted it for an hour because I was like, I just can't. I'm not in the mode for it. It's the weekend, and I'm also I need to start setting boundaries with my parents because they're contacting me like late at night, not late at night, but at nighttime on Facebook and on, because I'm not friends with them on Facebook, but they're part of the Facebook group. And so they would contact me there and they send me emails. And at first because I was trying to get it all going, so I was like getting back to them and doing this stuff. And then one sent me a message this morning, I think it was, and said that their student can get in to Epic Books. And I was like, I need to cut this. So I'm going to put a message, I think, on Facebook tomorrow that says, I will be available every day from 8 to 4. After that, I mean, I may get your messages, but you may not get a message back till the next day. So if it's something really important, try to get to me before 4 o'clock because it's my time. Like, I might be here. That's my goal. My plan is to be here to work with them, during the daytime. But once that 4 o'clock hits, that's it. And the weekend is mine. So so I don't know, I'm very happy with the way that the hallway came out though, and the front room, it looks so much more finished, which it is. So it just looks way nicer. I do need to go though and fill in all the little nail holes. Alright, that's it for this vlog. So I hope you guys like what you saw. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the little bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling, to get notified of when I post, because I am trying to do more tutorial videos and other kind of videos too, because I kind of like fell off the bandwagon on it and I'm trying to get it going again. So you will be having coming in, oh well, it won't be up yet, but I think the first tutorial vlog will be about how I do my Instagram photos, and so not vlog, but whatever, tutorial video, and so you can go back and watch that because it'll already be live. So anyways, yeah, that was a long thing. So if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on my social media lists down below. Until next time, don't forget to always be you. Bye.